A 34-inch wingspan, about a 24.5-inch fuselage, guys, and she's packing a wallop. This plane's at 100+ miles per hour. We're running this plane off of a Turnigy Graphene 4S 1300 milliamp pack. It's a really nice looking plane. Fit and finish is awesome. This plane's running off of 3 9-gram servos. You got 2 for your ailerons, 1 for your elevator. There is no rudder on this plane. It's a sweet little plane and got a lot of pull to her, guys. So we're gonna get this thing up in the air and show you what she'll do. Box is saying 100+ miles an hour, so like I said, this is a 75C pack. On this plane was pretty straightforward, guys. You glue your wing on, you glue your elevator and your rudder, and pretty much that's it. About a 20-minute build. It does have a belly plate on the bottom. I'll show you right here for your belly landings, hard plate, which makes it really nice for your grass landing. So your ailerons are on top of the wings. It's really nice. Now, a note in the manual that came with this, with the high rates, low rates, and the CG, this plane came with ball links. The manual stated to take those off and put on the clevises that I've put up here. Said it would give better flight performance, so that's what I did. Wanted to stick with what the manual was saying. This plane has got a 45 to 50 millimeter CG, guys, which would be right here where this spot is from the leading edge. And with the battery all the way forward, she's basically CGing really nicely. I'll show you the inside. And as I said, the battery is all the way forward. And I put the receiver on a balsa tray. I do have a gyro in this plane. When I'm ready for it, I'll switch it on during the maiden, see what we got. But we have earth magnets, canopy locks in tight. So it's a really nice looking plane, guys. So can't wait to get it up for you and show you what we're working with. Stay with me. Hopefully she'll rip it up. Let's see what she's got. Okay. Thank you.
Something happens, I'll
got you.
Know.
Jump on me.
Oh, got you.
Tell you what, that's a good background with that sun going down. That's great. That's awesome.
Coming right at you.
Okay.
That's how stable the fuel is. And that is half throttle. The gyro on. And in low rates at 50% expo. Excellent slow flight characteristics.
That was by the hair of your ass, bud.
You like that, don't you?
Tell you what, the vertical on this damn thing's incredible.
You got 319 on the time.
Yep.
You landing?
Take it around and come back around and landing this time.
It's nice looking. I think he's landing.
Yeah. Skid and go.
And that's all she wrote.
All right, guys, so as you can see, we're at 388, and if you look at the radio right here, I had the radio set to a 4-minute flight, so we have 30 seconds left, so that's 3.5 minute flight. And so yeah, 4 minutes I think would be safe to say would be very good on this pack. This is the Turnigy Graphene, which is supposed to be better. This is a 75C pack, guys, so it's gonna light this plane up. You can go up to a 1800 milliamp as well with this plane, and we are flying the 1300 milliamp 4S. So yeah, guys, great plane, and that was with the gyro activated as well. So thanks for checking it out. Thanks for HobbyKing for letting me have this experience. And guys, this is a great plane because you can throw this in the back of a small vehicle, a trunk, an Audi bill, and and actually take this to the field, take it to work with you. You can carry it anywhere you want to go, guys. It's pretty small, but it's a handful as far as speed. It's got the horsepower. It's like the Lamborghini of little planes, guys. So check it out, HobbyKing, HobbyKing Goblin.